The late adopter. It's looking good, guys. Matic is looking good. It's looking fresh, just like you know, a lot of other coins. But it's looking nice. It's looking very nice. We had a very nice retest yesterday down here. We are expecting a retest. We are up here around somewhere here. We're saying that, you know, this can go two ways, this way or this way, you know. And you know, luckily we got the 20 moving average, and I'm going to explain to you why it's better to, you know, get you know, bounce on the bigger moving averages than the small ones, because that means that this is going to go for longer. This go for long. It can go for longer, right? So you can see here the first bounce was on the 50 moving average, then we climbed on the 20. Right now again on the 20 bounce. So right now we are following this 20 moving average, and it's not that fast. If we had bounced off of the 10 moving average up here, that would just like be very fast over before you actually get a big correction. But right now, you know, slow and steady wins the race, guys. Slow and steady. You don't want to have these parabolic moves and you know, drop down, because you just don't have time to like sell. You are, oh, it's gonna up forever, and then before you know it, you are again down here. I mean, what happened? I didn't sell. You know, those things happen a lot. You know, so you like slow and steady up. You know, then you can slowly decide where you want to sell and so forth, right? Maybe never. Maybe the answer to when to sell is never. Maybe that's that. But right now it has had really nice support. Bounce off of the 20 moving average here on the, it's a small time frame, 4-hour time frame, but really nice bounce off of 20 moving average, got back above the 10 moving average. What we are looking for now is we crossing this line, 1.43 line. We want to cross this line up here, because it's an important line to break if you want to continue higher, right? It's important line. It's the next step in line. You want to break because right now it's acting as a resistance. You want to break that resistance, and I don't know how this is gonna be. If we're gonna do something like this up here and then break it, if we're just gonna break it right over here, or how it is gonna play out, I do not know. But the fact that we got support down here at 20 moving average, right now climbed above the 10 moving average, and right now sitting below the resistance, I have pretty good feeling about, you know, going higher up here. I have good feeling about going higher, so I think that's gonna happen. There is one thing you should be worried about, and if we go higher, and that's the RSI divergence. Let me just remove these two indicators on here. As you can see here, the price and the RSI are not actually playing together as they should be playing. Right now the price and the indicator, price is going down and indicator is going down between these 2 points. So all is good and dandy right now, right? But if we continue going up, what's going to happen? The RSI will go up, but we'll be starting to getting this divergence. This RSI divergence, it means, you know, it means at one point, you know, the RSI and the price are not actually playing together. So we're going to have some kind of pullback. The pullback is on the 4-hourly time frame, so it's not going to be big pullback. It's going to be something like here. So nothing to be scared of. You know, there is still everything on the charts are still looking bullish, looking nice. We are breaking all kind of mad resistances on the way up. But if we continue going up, especially to these targets up here that we drew yesterday, when we watched yesterday's video, probability is that we will get some kind of divergence up here, eventually divergence, and we will be having some kind of pullback. Now the pullback might come back to 1.43 line. How this is going to play out? These moving averages will also go all the way up here, so we might actually hit the 20 moving average again at one point. How it's actually going to play out, I'm not quite sure, but just know that if we continue going up, be watching for this RSI divergence, because that might be happening and giving us a pullback. Not a problem. Pullbacks are a very nice opportunity to, you know, in bull markets, pullbacks are a good opportunity to load up, but always be worried about it. The 100 moving average, really important moving average. We were talking about yesterday up here, right? We want to bounce. We went down and, you know, tested it on the dollar. Look at this. It's perfect test on the 100 moving average. Went down, got a back up here, and just continue pumping. So very bullish move, definitely very more bullish move, because when things are going up, they go down, back down to test the support, right? They test the support. And even up here, you know, you want to test some kind of support before you go further up. So this down here, back to the 100 moving average, this is a back test on the support held. We went up, now we are going back up to this 140. Technically, where was it? This is just I don't know. Yeah, it might be down here or some level down here. It's in this area down here. So we are at least breaking at least the previous high for 2 days ago. This high up here, we are at least breaking that high. You know, we're testing it and breaking that right now. So that's a good thing. So all in all, it looks bullish. We are having some targets, not this 143 target. I mean, it's nice, but you know, we are having some targets up here that we are looking. The big targets like 162, 169, 172, and this one at 186. These targets up here, which targets gonna get hit first before we actually get some kind of correction or something like that, it's hard to say, but those are the targets, those are the important targets. There are other let's see on the weekly time frame. Yeah, up all the way up there. I think that there's a very good possibility to go and test these targets, and after that we're gonna see what's gonna happen, because right now we are escaping the moving averages, you know. So when we get up here, you know, some kind of a slowdown might happen just to get these moving averages back up to speed, you know, back up to where we are. Anyways, guys, thanks for supporting the channel on the Patreon. Thanks for supporting by subscribing. Thanks for supporting by liking the video. If you want to watch more videos, you know, Matic videos, you know what to do with the subscribe button. Anyways, guys, come back tomorrow or another day, you know, watch more. Anyways, cheers, bye, bye.